it's Airsoft Wolverines. Today we have an unboxing from Red Wolf Airsoft. This is my first order from them, and it was pretty quick. It got here in like 2 days. I ordered it on Sunday night, and it's Wednesday morning right now. So yeah. This was the only website that had what I needed. The other websites either were discontinued or out of stock. And so luckily it came through. And so yeah. Oh boy, okay. Let's see if we can get this out. Okay. So what I got was a 2,500 round M249 box mag for my saw. So yeah, and here it is. It's really nice and small, and I love the woodland on it. So yeah, this is replacing my other box mag because that went down, and then my tech is not teching anymore, so he couldn't, or I didn't have anybody to fix it because he's the one that made the mod for it. So that's that, and there's a couple other pieces in here. So that, like, there. And then I guess that's like a replacement head. Yeah, I think so. But yeah, so that's that. And there's just a paper in here talking about something about how to use it and everything. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else in the box. Not even an invoice, surprisingly. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you guys next time.